So to replace the display on MantisX Plus, proceed by removing two cables, one for the throttle and one for the speed controller. Once those cables are removed, use a 2.5mm wrench, Allen wrench, to remove the two screws that are holding the display clamps. And be mindful that there is a nut holding each of the display for the screws. So go ahead and gently remove those. All right. So grab your replacement display and reverse the process by putting the display clamps over the bars. Like so. And make sure to ensure that the screw nuts are inserted into the space. And mount the screws. Clamp down the display. And once that's done, proceed to connect the throttle, that is the green wire, and the black wire for the speed controller connection. And that concludes the display replacement.